Click on the machine icon on the top left corner on screen to start adding your new machine. Select your type of machine. Ensure that Bluetooth on your mobile is switched on and let's start. On your machine dial, hold the back and confirm buttons at the same time. Select Settings and turn the dial to Set up Wi-Fi. Ensure that your mobile device is near to the machine. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot for maximum compatibility, key in your password, and connect. The onboarding and cloud connection are designed to complete in under 30 seconds. The morning machine will display the Wi-Fi icon and also the server access icon on the OLED screen when connected. Now that the morning machine is connected to the morning app, you can access a wide range of capsule recipes to brew from.